You think this summer is just another season, just more hot days, late nights, and time passing slowly. But what if this summer is actually a test, a short window where your future quietly decides who you become? Right now, most people are wasting it without even realizing. They sleep late because they can. They scroll longer because there is more time. They promise themselves they will start tomorrow because summer feels endless. But summer is dangerous because comfort feels normal. Days blur together, weeks disappear, and before you notice, the season ends, and you are the exact same person. You told yourself this year would be different. You said you would get disciplined. You said you would work on your body, your mind, your goals. Yet every day, distractions win small battles. It is not because you lack motivation. It is because you are waiting to feel ready, and that moment never comes. The truth is simple and uncomfortable. No one is coming to change your life. No perfect plan will suddenly appear. This summer will either build you or quietly weaken you. The difference is one decision: taking responsibility for how you spend your days. You do not need a perfect routine. You need structure. Wake up earlier than you want. Move your body even when energy feels low. Work on something meaningful before entertainment touches your attention. Discipline is not loud. It looks boring from the outside. Repeating small actions when nobody is watching. Choosing effort when comfort calls your name. At first, it feels hard. You will miss old habits. Your mind will try to negotiate. It will tell you one skipped day does not matter. But every time you keep your promise to yourself, something shifts. You start trusting yourself again. Your confidence stops coming from motivation and starts coming from action. That is when transformation begins. Not in one big moment, but in quiet mornings, in workouts you almost skipped, in focused hours when your phone stays untouched. Weeks pass, your posture changes, your thinking sharpens, your standards rise. People will not notice the exact day you changed, but they will feel it, because consistency rewrites identity. You stop seeing yourself as someone who wants change. You become someone who creates it. And when summer ends, you will not just have memories. You will have proof. Proof that you can do hard things. Proof that discipline works. Proof that your life moves when you move first. So decide now. Do not wait for Monday. Do not wait for motivation. Start today, even if it feels small, especially if it feels uncomfortable, because this summer will change your life. But only if you stop treating it like time to escape and start treating it like time to become.